History of Innovation and Determination. It was 100 years ago when Setsuzo Tsubakimoto founded a bicycle chain manufacturing company in Minamihama, Osaka. This was the moment of Tsubaki's birth. Tsubaki steadily increased its production. However, the price of bicycle chains plummeted. In those days, most chains for industrial machinery were made overseas. This is where Setsuzo saw the future. Tsubaki stopped production of bicycle chains after just 10 years and shifted to chains for machinery. Power transmission chain and conveyor chain. Starting first with chains that convey goods, Tsubaki also tried its hand at manufacturing large-scale cement conveyors that utilize chains. This was the beginning of Tsubaki's materials handling operations. Tsubaki wanted to catch up with and overtake global chain quality. In 1940, Tsubaki constructed a plant in Tsurumi, Osaka. Later, Tsubaki's growth mirrored the explosive post-war growth of Japan. Tsubaki released timing chains, specialized power transmission chains for automobile engines, and reducers that utilized chain. This marked the dawn of Tsubaki's automotive parts and power transmission units and components operations. In 1962, Tsubaki made headway in eastern Japan. Tsubaki's materials handling systems operations made a big leap with the completion of the Saitama plant. In 1968, Tsubaki established its first overseas base in Taiwan. Then, in 1971, Tsubaki established a sales company in the United States. It was Tsubaki's next big step after having first started exporting chains to the United States 20 years earlier. Tsubaki built its own sales network without involving trading companies. Later, Tsubaki continued expanding its overseas bases into Canada and the Netherlands. In the 1980s, there was a sudden shift from chains to belts used in the timing drive systems of automobile engines. But Tsubaki never gave up and went on to develop a lightweight, quiet timing chain. It's this spirit of determination that led to the global adoption of timing chains seen in automobile engines today. In 1986, Tsubaki started locally producing chains in North America. And then in 2001, Tsubaki completed construction of its Kyotanabe plant. Tsubaki never rests on its laurels and is never afraid of taking on new challenges. Tsubaki's determination continues to be seen today, and its 4 operations drive industries around the world. Chain operations, power transmission units and components operations, materials handling operations, automotive parts operations. Tsubaki has continued to develop new products in these 4 areas. And then there's Tsubaki's new business areas that will drive the future. Tsubaki's E-Link system controls stored power. Tsubaki's agricultural business develops state-of-the-art vegetable cultivation equipment. Tsubaki's Mitamon is a remote monitoring platform supporting IoT. Together with our network of group companies, Tsubaki's technological prowess and determination cultivated over the past 100 years are now being expanded to countries worldwide. Currently, Tsubaki has 77 bases in 26 countries. We are manufacturing specialists that take the art of manufacturing to new heights beyond the expectations of society. With appreciation for the past 100 years, Tsubaki will continue to innovate and take on the next 100 years. Driving the world and the future. Tsubaki.